can he really understand us?
I am programmed for empathetic response, see?
He's been wonderful with them today.
So what if a robot could just walk into a world that was built for you? And what if the very last robot on our list doesn't just look human? What if it actually feels human emotions?
Okay, check this out. $10 billion. That's how much money has been poured into humanoid robotics in 2024 alone. This isn't some far-off sci-fi dream anymore. This is happening right now, and it's one of the biggest tech shifts of our lifetime. But, that brings up a really big question. Why are we spending all this money to make robots look, well, like us? Is it just because we can? Or is there a much deeper, much more practical reason behind it all? We're going to find that answer as we count down the 10 most important humanoid robots out there today.
Kicking things off at number 1, the factory worker. And here's the jaw-dropping part. This robot can walk right onto a human assembly line and use the exact same tools as a person. Think about that. There's zero need to redesign the entire factory.
And this is how it pulls it off. Yeah, the payload is impressive. It can handle heavy parts all day. But the real game changer? That dexterous 5-fingered hand. It's not just for looks. It's so it can pick up a standard power drill or a wrench, letting it slide seamlessly into existing jobs to take over the most dangerous and mind-numbing tasks from people.
But wait until you hear about number 2. We're leaving the factory floor and heading into logistics. This robot can walk down warehouse aisles, climb up ladders, and grab packages just like a human worker.
Now look at how these features all work together. The fact that it can climb a ladder and has a 2-meter reach means it can operate in a warehouse that was built entirely for people without a single expensive change to the infrastructure. It just walks in and gets to work. It's incredible.
But not all humanoids are built for a specific job. This next one is all about science. And its unique feature is a total game changer. The robot's hardware and software designs are completely open source. That means anyone, anywhere on Earth can contribute to the future of robotics. So here's the big idea, right? It's basically a global, collaborative test platform. Researchers from any university can test their new algorithms for walking or grabbing or AI on this one standardized robot. It's like a shared brain for the entire field, helping everyone advance faster together.
This next one completely redefines what remote work means. This is basically an avatar that lets you be physically present anywhere in the world. And get this, you can even feel what the robot is touching.
And the magic is right here in the tech. With virtually zero lag and that haptic force feedback, an expert can perform a super delicate repair in a hazardous nuclear site, or maybe even a medical procedure from thousands of miles away, feeling the resistance of every single screw they turn.
All right, let's take that same idea and bring it into our hospitals. This is honestly unbelievable. This robot is strong enough to lift a 100-kilogram person from a bed, but it's gentle enough to do it with absolute safety.
The key is something called Compliant Safe Contact Control. It's a fancy way of saying it uses advanced force sensors to be incredibly strong, yet incredibly gentle at the same time. This is all about preventing injuries for both nurses and patients during those really physically demanding tasks. It's about helping human caregivers, not replacing them.
Okay, from the hospital, let's bring it right into our homes. And this is the dream for so many of us, right? This robot is being designed to do your chores. I'm talking folding laundry or loading your existing, completely unmodified dishwasher. And what makes this so incredibly hard is that our homes are messy, chaotic places for a robot. They've got stairs, clutter, and appliances with all kinds of weird handles. This robot's ability to navigate that crazy environment and just use tools that were never designed for it, like a sponge or a TV remote, that is a monumental challenge for AI and robotics. All right, let's look at a robot that works with the public. Its most unique skill? It can recognize repeat customers by their face and greet them by name in over 20 different languages. This is all about giving us a consistent, tireless, and personalized experience. Think about it. In an airport or a hotel, this robot can give directions or check you in, using facial and emotional recognition to tailor how it interacts with you. It just makes customer service way more efficient and accessible, especially across language barriers.
Okay, let's shift gears to a much more serious job. The stark reality about number 8 is this. This robot is built to go where human entry means certain death. At a nuclear meltdown or a chemical spill, this thing can walk through rubble, withstand intense radiation, and perform critical tasks, like turning a safety valve, a valve that was designed for human hands to turn. This robot is, without a doubt, a true hero. Now, let's go from disaster to the dance floor. This robot can dance in perfect synchronization with dozens of others, hitting a level of precision that no human performance group could ever dream of matching. But this isn't just for fun. I mean, achieving sub-millisecond synchronization with music, that shows off an unbelievable level of control and coordination. It's really a technology showcase that inspires a sense of wonder and pushes the absolute limits of what these machines are capable of. And that brings us to number 10, the one I promised you at the very beginning. This robot's most profound capability has nothing to do with the task it performs. It said it can recognize your emotions from your face and your voice and respond with what feels like genuine empathy.
This all comes down to tapping into human psychology. By recognizing our emotions, by remembering our past conversations, and using these incredibly lifelike facial expressions, it can provide companionship in a way a smart speaker just can't. It plugs into our deep-seated need to connect with something that looks and acts like us.
So, after all that, we can finally answer our question. From the factory floor to the hospital to our own living rooms, there is one single idea that connects all 10 of these robots. Why do they look like us? It's not vanity, it's a necessity. And this quote says it perfectly. We don't build them this way just because it's cool. We do it because it's the only practical way forward.
And that's really the bottom line. 10 different humanoids, all for one simple reason. The world was built for us, so we're building robots that can fit right into it. If this helped you understand why robots are being made in our image, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe, because next time we're leaving Earth entirely for Type 15 space robots. You are not going to want to miss that.
I'm Synera, and I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you for spending your time with us today. It genuinely means the world. If you enjoyed this, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss what we put out next. We've got so much more coming your way, and I can't wait to share it with you. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.